Good morning, y'all. How are you guys today? Today I'm gonna be filming another what I eat in a day while on the keto diet. I did this a couple days ago and you guys seem to really enjoy it, so I think I'm gonna do it again. Obviously switch it up a little bit and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Hopefully I don't mess up this time and delete my breakfast footage, but yeah. I woke up at 9:30 and it's now 10:49, so yeah, I'm ready for breakfast. I'm not sure on what I'm gonna eat today. I'm thinking eggs and bacon, maybe even eggs and sausage, but I'm not sure. So let's go to the kitchen. All right, y'all, so this is my breakfast this morning. It's 4 slices of bacon and 2 eggs. Again, I popped my yolk. So sad about that. But yeah, for this morning, I'm just drinking some water. In the cup that my babe got me, or water bottle my babe got me. I wanted to have coffee, but we don't have almond milk, and you know, that's like the only milk I drink. I want to try pea milk, so maybe I'll buy it this next time. But although the way it is with people hoarding and buying all the necessary products, although I doubt somebody's gonna buy pea milk like in bulk, but we'll see. But yeah, so far this is it for my breakfast. I'll catch up with you guys during lunchtime. Alright, y'all, so it's now gonna be 4 o'clock. I went and I did my makeup, took some pictures. So now I'm getting hungry and my aunt's about to come home from work, so I am going to cook up a little something. So today, according to the calendar, is chicken breast with creamed spinach. So yeah, I'm gonna be using the frozen spinach. Again, most of our stuff is frozen, like frozen fruit, frozen vegetables. It's easier that way for us, and it also comes in the back with nutrition facts, so I prefer that way more. I have my chicken breasts here, and I think I'm gonna just do maybe 2 small ones. I'm gonna weigh them after I cook them. I don't know if you're supposed to weigh them before you cook them or afterwards, but I'm gonna just weigh them after, because I know they shrink. I've done it before and they've lost like maybe an ounce or 2 ounces, which does count. So yeah, I think I'm gonna just get to cooking and I'll show you guys that in a minute. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be using frozen spinach like I showed you guys. So the nutrition facts are, for serving size of 1 cup, 30 calories, 4 grams of carbs, 3 grams of fiber, which means 1 gram of net carbs, and 0 fat, 3 grams of protein. And there's 3.5 servings per container. I'm going to use the whole container. So I'm just using it frozen. Literally nothing. This looks a little, it's like something else. I'm going to use it frozen. I don't like thawing them out. It gives me the heebie-jeebies when they're like thawed out in the bag. I don't know. I just don't like it. So yeah, and my family doesn't complain, I don't complain, so you know, it is what it is. So I'm gonna just let that cook for a second while I'm gonna put a lid over it so that it can like steam, and I have my chicken cooking in the background. I'm pretty sure you guys can hear it, but now I'm gonna get what's gonna go inside the creamed spinach ready to go. Alright y'all, so my spinach is now thawed out, and so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep that on the stove. I have cream cheese, heavy whipping cream, and garlic powder. So this is cream cheese from Dollar Tree, and the good thing about this is that it's measured out here, so it says 1 ounce, 2 ounces, 4 ounces, and yeah, so on and so forth. So for this, the nutrition facts are not that great, I'll be honest. It's 3 grams of carbs per serving size. There's about 3 grams of carbs every ounce. I'm going to be using 3. And then I'm just going to plop that into my pan with the spinach. And then I'm also going to be adding 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, also from Walmart. So now I'm just going to mix this around, and now the cream cheese is like softening up and the heavy whipping cream is mixed in. So I'm going to just let this sit on the stove for a little bit longer, which will make the cream cheese soften up even more and easier to mix. Alright y'all, and I think I'm also going to add about 2 ounces of this mozzarella cheese. We had to buy this one because everybody else bought out the big 10-pound bag that we usually have that I showed you guys last week. But this one has 90 calories and less than 1 gram of carbs. So super good. 6 grams of protein and 7 grams of fat. Alright, y'all, so I have my scale here. .9 ounces, so about 3 ounces of mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna add to my spinach. So I'm gonna keep my spinach on like low heat and let it just simmer together for a little bit. But I am gonna add a fourth of a cup of water just because we like it a little bit more watery. Now I'm just mixing it, and this smells so good, guys. Again, putting it back on low heat. Now I'm gonna take my garlic powder, regular garlic powder. You can add as much or as little as you want, or you can add some other sort of seasoning you want. This is the one my family and I like. The thing is, for me, is that I don't measure seasonings. Like, I don't know, because it has like no nutrition facts in the back. Ooh, it smells so good. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, but then I'm gonna just put this back on medium heat this time and just let it bubble up and come together, because obviously there's still some chunks of like cheese in there that need to be melted. So yeah, but we're almost done. So my chicken's ready, and so is my spinach. So I have my scale here. I'm going to put the plate and zero it out. And first I'm going to put my chicken, 7.6 ounces. 12.7 ounces. I'm not sure if I'm gonna want this other piece, honestly. So I'm gonna just take it out. So I'm gonna have, so since I took it out, for now, I'm gonna just say I'm gonna have the 7.6. If I end up eating it, obviously I'll show you guys. And then, so that's 7.6 ounces of chicken. So now I'm gonna zero it out. And now I'm going to add in my creamed spinach. Okay, y'all, and that's about 6.7 ounces of my creamed spinach. Alright, y'all, so this is my plate here. I'm gonna just be having, once again, more water. But yeah, so this is, I guess you could say, my late lunch, early dinner. Alright, y'all, so I came back from my walk and I was actually hungry, so I ended up eating the chicken breast that I left earlier. It was 4.6 ounces. But yeah, I have so far been super good on, I guess, just like tracking everything for you guys and showing you guys everything, so I hope you guys enjoy it. But as a little treat, as a little dessert, it's now 9 o'clock. Let me clear this out. It's now 9 o'clock. I'm gonna have some ice cream. This is the enlightened ice cream. This isn't the keto version. We found the keto version at Albertsons, and we found this one at Albertsons too, but I really wanted cookies and cream, and it is about double in carbs what the keto one is per serving. So I figured, you know what, if I divide it and if I measure it and I'm careful, then I should be able to have, you know, this cookies and cream version. So this is 90 calories per serving, and about 8 grams of net carbs. So in total, this has 18 grams of carbs, 4 grams of fiber, and 6 grams of sugar alcohol, which means 8 grams of net carbs. So this is pretty good for keto. So yeah, I'm gonna spoon this out and measure it just to make sure on my macros. This is about half a cup. The serving size is half a cup. There's 4 servings per container. There's only about half of the container left, but I want to still be careful and make sure that I'm not overeating in carbs. How many ounces is 69 grams?
2.43 ounces.
Okay, so I guess we're looking for 2.43 ounces. Maybe I can get away with a little more just because I have about, I think, 19 grams of carbs left for the day. Oh. So I have 19 grams of carbs left for the day. So if there's 2 servings here, that means there should only be 16 grams of carbs in here, which would still leave me with 3 grams of carbs. So I think I should be able to pull it off for 2.43. So let's look at the ounces. So that's about 3.9 ounces of ice cream. So now let's calculate it on the app. Also, what I love about this app is that it has like a barcode thing. So when you open up the app, it does say limit because it is really high in carbs. Really high in, really high in carbs. So I'm gonna put 3.9 ounces. Okay, so then that puts me at 13 grams of net carbs, 6 grams left for the day. I've met my protein level, and I'm gonna add it to my snack one. So then add to today. So yeah, that's put me at 19 grams of net carbs for the day. I still have 6 grams of carbs left. That's put me at 69 grams of fat. I have 33 grams left. I've met my protein, and I still have 676 calories left. I did walk today, and I put that into my macro calculator. Quick little thing before I go though, I really recommend this ice cream. I'm not being sponsored, obviously, like, no. My channel has like 5 subscribers. But I really recommend this ice cream if you're looking for like a nice keto treat. My aunt tried it with me the other day, and we tried the keto peanut butter and chocolate one, and that's more keto friendly than this one. But if you guys are like me and you want a specific flavor, like cookies and cream is like my favorite flavor. Oh, she tried coffee and cream and she says it was really good, and that was also the keto version, right? Yeah, that was a keto brand. But yeah, I really recommend this ice cream. It's super good. Like, it's kind of expensive, but it's worth it if you still have that sweet tooth. I'm not a big sweet person, so I can go without it, but it's nice every once in a while. So definitely recommend. And if you're like me, you can measure it out and make it last for a couple days. So yeah, I'm gonna go have my dessert, and I'll see you guys soon. Alright y'all, so for the sake of being honest and showing you guys everything that I do eat, I forgot that I need to take my collagen. So here I am now. This is just the regular, I got this from Walmart, Orgain collagen peptides. I use 2 scoops, and I can't drink it on its own. Like, I don't know, I don't like it like that. So I am gonna have some almond milk. So I did find some almond milk. So this is the Almond Breeze Unsweetened Original. Shake it up a little bit. I'm gonna use my ice cream cup. I know that probably sounds gross to y'all, but I don't care. Alright, so I'm gonna be doing the fluid ounces mode of milk. Okay, so that's 8 fluid ounces. So now to that, I'm going to add my collagen, and then I'm going to mix it. Okay, so then I don't particularly like almond milk like that alone. So I am going to be putting a little bit of vanilla, and this has like 0 nutritional value, literally nothing in it. And then the pure sweetener. Again, this has nothing, like literally no calories, no carbs, nothing. So when it comes to things like that, I don't measure it. Alright, so I'm gonna mix that. I wonder. I think my collagen clogged up. But it tastes good. So now, that is officially the only thing I'm eating for today. I'm done. It's already 9:30. I'm done. That's enough. So I'll share with you guys my macros. Alright y'all, so my final macros for today, I have them right here. I'll put a picture up again. But for today I had a total of 19 grams of net carbs, 72 grams of fat, 139 grams of protein. But yeah, overall that was my eating today. I did go over my protein by 19 grams. Obviously I forgot that I had to take my collagen. I only started taking collagen yesterday, which is why I forget to include it or like do not remember it. But I am 19 grams over in protein. I have 30 grams of fat left, 6 grams of net carbs left. That was pretty much it for my day of eating. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun filming it for you guys and it keeps me entertained, and a lot of people liked my last one, so I thought why not film this one for you. I did try to change it up a little bit, and I am trying to give you guys what you guys want to see. Obviously more keto videos. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.